In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Stripe payments to Xero so your invoices can be paid online quickly and automatically reconciled. We'll go step by step on screen, and by the end, Stripe will be linked to your Xero account and ready to accept card payments from your customers. First, open your browser and go to the Xero website. Sign into your Xero account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one business in Xero, because the payment service connection is set up per organization. Once you're in the right place, look for the main navigation menu and click on Sales. This is where Xero manages everything related to customer invoices and payments. If your layout looks slightly different, you might see options like business or invoices, but you want the sales area where online payment settings live. Inside the sales section, find and click on Online Payments. This is the page where you can turn on payment services for your invoices like Stripe. Connecting here means that when you send an invoice, customers will see a Pay Now button and can pay directly with their card. On the Online Payments page, look for a button or link that says Start Setup and click it. This tells Xero that you want to configure a new online payment method. If you already have other payment services listed, don't worry, you're just adding Stripe alongside them. You'll now see a section called Available Payment Services. Here, Xero shows you different providers you can connect. Look for the option to add other payment services and click Add Other. This expands the list so you can access more integrations, including Stripe. From the list of available services, find Stripe and click on it. Stripe is a popular payment processor that lets your customers pay with major credit and debit cards. Clicking on Stripe will open the setup screen specifically for connecting your Stripe account to Xero. On this setup screen, you'll need to enter an account name and select a payment account. The account name is simply how this Stripe connection will appear inside Xero, so choose something clear like Stripe Payments or similar that you and your team will recognize later. Then choose the payment account where you want Stripe transactions to be recorded in your chart of accounts. This is usually a dedicated Stripe clearing or bank account in Xero, which makes reconciliation much easier. If you're not sure which account to pick, it's a good idea to check with your bookkeeper or accountant before you continue. Next, select the credit card logo that you want to display on your invoices. This is the small icon your customers will see indicating that they can pay by card using Stripe. Pick the one that best matches how you want your payment button to look and what will be most familiar to your customers. When everything looks correct, click Connect Stripe. Xero will now either open a Stripe login page or a confirmation screen where you authorize the connection. Follow the prompts to log into Stripe if needed and approve the link between Stripe and Xero. Once that's done, you'll be brought back to Xero and your Stripe payment service will be active. From now on, when you create and send invoices in Xero, your customers will see the option to pay online via Stripe, helping you get paid faster and keep your bookkeeping up to date.